In this video, we're going to go from this, yuck, to this, using this. Okay, so to get the dust collection system to function, to set it up, you'll need a bucket or some other kind of sealed container. And we'll go cut a 3-inch hole in it and mount the hardware to it. This will get mounted on. And it comes with the hose. Not that piece. Comes with a couple of adapters. Of course, a gasket. Comes with some clamps. Instructions. And of course the safety sticker, the obligatory safety sticker. Okay, so first things first, I'll need to drill a 3-inch hole in the lid. Here I'm drilling a 2-inch hole. Unfortunately, I did not have a 3-inch hole saw, so I'm going to drill it 2 inches and then go back later and cut it out. Next, I'm going to drill these 2 holes right here. Okay, so. Seven 16ths. So it also comes with 2 O-rings, and I'm assuming that goes on where the hose is at, but I don't know. Okay, so next you plumb it accordingly. So this top one right here goes to the shop vac, and this one right here goes to is your actual vacuum hose. There. On that. that. Okay, so here's this monstrosity connected. I need to go back and put some hose clamps on it. Tighten everything up real good. Okay, so I'm anxious to see how this thing works. So what I did, I got a big old pile of shadow. There we go. Got some sawdust here from the previous project that has not been cleaned up. Now big question is how much got into the bucket and how much got into the vacuum. So let's take a look at the bucket. Got a pretty good amount in the bucket. Slide the vacuum over here. Definitely need to clamp that on. And voila! There's the vacuum. Looks like it worked. Need to make everything a lot more permanent for this. I need to put clamps on and build a little cart for it. And I think it'll be good to go. The key to this will be a long, flexible vacuum hose. And I unfortunately do not have one, so I'll definitely be ordering one of those. But the kit itself looks like it works. It functions. It did what it said. It separated out the sawdust and heavier items. A couple screws went in there too. Okay, some quick thoughts about the dust deputy system. It works well. I definitely had no issues with dust getting into the vac, but my orange bucket, not so great. You definitely want to get a better quality bucket and lid than what I did. So I will be purchasing something more substantial and adapting this to it. But other than the bad choice of bucket, it works pretty well. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.